Hello everyone, welcome to our live stream. Today I'm excited to offer you the Komatsu PC200-8 excavator final drives. Our final drive with the travel motor assembly. It's made in China with high quality components to ensure the maximum performance, and we can offer 1 year warranties for our travel motors. At the same time, we can offer a wide range of hydraulic main pumps for Kawasaki and for Rexroth hydraulic motors. Here is our sample. A room for the hydraulic main pumps and the hydraulic motors. Let's show you. This is for the Kawasaki hydraulic main pumps, and here is the Rexroth hydraulic motors. Hello, my dear friend. We can offer a wide range of hydraulic main pumps, hydraulic motors for Caterpillar, Case, JCB, New Holland, John Deere, and for Volvo, Hyundai, Doosan, and for Komatsu, Hitachi, Koboko, Kato, Sumitomo. Here is the Hitachi hydraulic main pumps, Notch hydraulic main pumps, Rexroth, Kawasaki swing motors, Rexroth hydraulic main pumps. And here is the Notch, Rexroth, Hitachi, Kawasaki hydraulic main pumps, Rexroth hydraulic motors. Welcome to our showroom. Welcome to Guangzhou. Welcome to our company, Partsdic Hydrailics.